Manipur government has issued a strong warning to anti-social elements attempting to disrupt peace by threatening or intimidating law-abiding citizens. Press note from Home Department signed by Chief Secretary Dr. Punit Kumar Goyal said action has already been initiated by Manipur police against such groups. The government stated that no individual or organization prescribed or otherwise has the authority to issue decrees, impose punishments, or restrict lawful cultural, economic, or artistic activities in the state. Anyone found issuing threats or disturbing peaceful coexistence will face strict legal action. The public has been urged to report any instance of threat, extortion, coercion, or suspicious activity to the nearest police station. The 24/7 anti-extortion cell helpline 1-800-202-3326 is also available, and the identity of informants will be kept confidential. Government appeals to citizens to stay united against unlawful activities and support efforts to restore harmony and development in Manipur.